Hi there, and welcome to Affordable Comfort's Sensi Smart Thermostat Guide, getting to know your thermostat. First, let's take a closer look at your thermostat's interface. Let's go over what each button does. Mode button. Switch between cool, off. Heat, fan button. Fan auto mode. The fan runs only when the system is heating or cooling. Fan on mode. The fan runs continuously for constant air circulation. Schedule button. Toggle your preset schedule on or off for automated temperature control. Menu button. Access advanced settings and system configurations. Up and down arrows. Adjust your temperature settings with precision. Connecting to Wi-Fi. First, download the Sensi app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account and select Add Device. Follow the app's on-screen instructions to connect your thermostat to your home's Wi-Fi network. And finally, confirm the connection. Once connected, you can adjust your settings from anywhere. Setting a schedule. Using the Sensi app. Open the Sensi app and navigate to Schedule. Select a preset or customize your heating and cooling times. Adjust each period, morning, day, evening, and night. Save your settings and your thermostat will follow them automatically. Manually setting a schedule. Keep in mind, if you want to set a manual schedule, the Wi-Fi on your Sensi thermostat will need to be turned off. First, press and hold the schedule button until the time starts flashing. Use the up and down arrows to set your first time block. Press Next and set the corresponding temperature. Repeat for all 4 daily time blocks, then press Exit to save. Adjusting temperature modes. Need to make a quick change? Here's how to adjust your temperature settings on the fly. Manual adjustments. Press the up and down arrows to change the set temperature. If the schedule is active, it will hold your setting until the next programmed time. Turning off the schedule. Press the schedule button to toggle it off and maintain a fixed temperature. Using the Sensi app. Open the app, select the thermostat, and set your preferred temperature instantly. Troubleshooting. Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Restart your router and check your internet connection. Thermostat not responding. Remove and reinsert the batteries to reboot. Fan running non-stop. Ensure the fan setting is on auto instead of on. And that's it. Your Sensi Smart Thermostat is now set up and ready to keep your home comfortable and efficient. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Affordable Comfort. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home comfort tips. Thanks for watching!